Did you know that the #1 reason visa applications get rejected isn't because you missed a requirement, but because you failed to show strong proof of ties to your home country? Stay tuned. We're revealing the secrets most applicants miss. And remember, this advice comes from a licensed immigration consultant at Transplore, ensuring that you receive expert guidance from a trusted source. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical and often overlooked aspects of your visa application: proof of ties to your home country. You might be thinking, why does this matter if it's not even listed on the IRCC checklist? Well, let me tell you, proof of ties can make or break your application. The stronger the evidence you provide that you'll return home after your authorized stay in Canada, the higher your chances of approval. So, in this video, I'll break it down for you. 1. What proof of ties really means. 2. The documents you can submit as proof. 3. How to prepare and present them in your application. Let's get started. What is proof of ties? Simply put, proof of ties is the evidence that you have strong connections to your home country. This could be financial, professional, family-related, or social ties. Essentially, the visa officer wants to see that you have reasons to go back once your time in Canada is over. So what counts as proof of ties? A stable job is your secret weapon. The stronger your employment ties, the better your chances. Submit a recent employment letter showing your position, salary, and approved leave dates. Pro tip: if your boss confirms you're expected back after your trip, that's pure gold. It screams, "I'm not staying forever." Having assets or ongoing financial responsibilities in your home country shows you have a reason to return. Submit property ownership documents like land titles, mortgage papers, or lease agreements. Bonus tip: got savings? Share recent bank statements. The more you prove you're financially rooted, the harder it is for them to say no. Remember, strong financial ties equals stronger visa application. If you have family members who depend on you, this strengthens your case. Whether it's a spouse, children, or elderly parents, you'll need to show you're needed back home. Submit marriage certificates, kids' birth certificates, or proof that you care for elderly parents. Pro tip: include a notarized letter explaining your family responsibilities. It's like telling the officer, "I have people counting on me back home." Visa officers love to see strong family ties. It proves you're not planning a one-way trip. The stronger your family ties, the stronger your visa application. Make it count. Trying to snag that visa, student edition? Show the visa officer you're not ghosting your education. Submit an enrollment confirmation letter from your school. It's your official "I'll be back" receipt. Pro tip: got a class schedule or upcoming semester? Flex it. It's the ultimate "I have unfinished business" card. No cap. Strong study ties equals better visa odds. Don't sleep on this. If you own a business, you likely have significant obligations that will pull you back home. Submit business registration documents, tax filings, contracts with clients, or any other documents that show you are a key part of the business. Pro tip: include a letter on the official company letterhead explaining your role, responsibilities, and why your presence is crucial. This adds extra credibility and shows you're essential to the business. The more you show your involvement, the stronger your case for returning home. Don't overlook this key detail. Active in your local community? That's a strong reason to return home. Visa officers want to see that you have deep ties and responsibilities that will pull you back. Submit membership certificates, volunteer work records, or documents showing involvement in social or religious groups. Pro tip: highlight your leadership roles or long-term commitments. This shows you're not just passing through, but truly invested in your community. You've got the documents. Now let's make sure they're organized and ready to impress. Visa officers are busy, so making your application easy to review is key. Ready to submit your visa application like a pro? Let's make sure your documents stand out and get you approved. Step 1. Gather all necessary documents. First things first, make sure everything you submit is recent and official. No documents should be older than 3 months. The fresher, the better. And hey, if your documents aren't in English or French, don't panic. Just get them translated and notarized. Official translations add major credibility and ensure nothing gets lost in translation. Step 2. Write a cover letter. Think of the cover letter as your personal pitch to the visa officer. It's your chance to make a solid case for why you're coming back home. Here's an example. I've been with XYZ company for 5 years and have been granted a leave from start date to end date. Attached is my employment letter confirming my position and return date. Bonus tip: be heartfelt and convincing. Add a line like, "I guarantee to return to my home country once my visit ends." It makes you look even more committed to coming back. Step 3. Organize your documents properly. Presentation is everything. Don't just throw everything in one folder. Get organized and label your documents neatly. Here's an example. Add an index at the front and number your pages. Not only does this make you look super professional, but it also helps the officer easily find what they need. I know preparing your visa application can feel like a lot, but don't stress. In the description, I've got a free sample cover letter for you to download. Just fill in the blanks, customize it, and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feeling a little unsure about your proof of ties? Don't worry. Click the link in the description to book a professional review with a licensed consultant at Transplore. The first 5 bookings get 50% off. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We answer every single one and might even feature yours in our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.